So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install the iOS 15 on iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user reported to how to install the iOS 15 on iPhone. So guys, in this video I will show you how to install and download iOS 15 on iPhone and iPad. So guys, lot of iPhone users also reported to, and also major question is which iPhone models supported iOS 15s on iPhone and iPads. So guys, iOS 15 supported device is iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 mini, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, X, XS Max, XR. So guys, and also iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 6s, 6s Plus and also iPhone SE first generation and second generation also install and download iOS 15 on iPhone and iPads. So guys, lot of iPhone users second question is how to download and install the iOS 15 on iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, 7, 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and you can easily download and install iOS 15 on your iPhones. So guys, now first of all open the control center in your iPhones and strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPads. Now open the any browser in your iPhones. So guys, now open the Safaris. In Safaris you can see also top corner search bar. In search bar search beta profile. In beta profile you can see also first website download beta profile. So guys, simply tap on that and open it. So guys, this beta profile website available for the iOS 15, iPadOS 15s, watchOS 8, tvOS 15s and also macOS 12s available for the iPhone, iPad, watch, TV and also MacBook. So guys, this website too you can easily download and install iOS 15 for the iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, now you can see also iOS beta profiles available. So guys, simply tap on the install profiles. After you can see also this type pop-up. So guys, now tap on the install anyways. Now you can see also again this type pop-ups in your iPhones. Now tap on the allow and you can easily download and install the iOS 15s on your iPhone 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, now again come back in iPhone and iPad home screens. Now find out the settings. In settings you can see also this type interface so in your iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, now tap on the profile download options. So guys, simply tap on that. Now again tap on, after you can see also right hand side install options. Install, after you can see also again enter your passcode and again right hand side install options. So guys, please tap on that. So guys, install, after again come back in home screens after again open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second option is software update option. So guys, please tap on that. Now you can see also iOS 15 developer beta available on your iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also another models. The size of the iOS 15 is 5.1 GB on iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, you can easily download and install iOS 15 on your iPhone. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.